If you measure your waste, it allows you to make some better procurement decisions. I think we could easily cut that to a quarter of the time with a better piece of equipment. This is what's coming over, and this is the throat of the baler that we're trying to put it into. So what happens is the guys on that side of the production line are putting all the film into a bag here, then we're dragging it over here, and then we're opening up the baler, and then we're having to individually feed the pieces back into this baler to condense it down to make a bale. At a really quick glance, I don't think this is the right solution for these guys. And when we come to site, these are all the things we're looking at. We're not just looking at your waste and measuring it, working out what we can recycle. We're looking at the ergonomics of things. Where are your people moving in the factory? Where is your equipment? Is it in the right place? How much real estate are you wasting either inside or outside your factory that's more valuable for other uses? The other things we're looking at, that's what Josh is doing every day of the week. That's what I'm doing every day of the week. We're in here getting our hands dirty, putting solutions in place that save your business money and give you total ownership. When we talk about total ownership, it means owning the whole process, and it also means engaging your staff as well, making them part of shifting to what we're trying to do.